Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a CMC Continental made in Japan automatic petrol lighter with a very nice enameled case. I'm not sure of the shade of green. It's a couple of different shades. Sort of the dark mixed in with the light. Very clean, shows normal wear, scuffs, dings, maybe definitely there on the bottom, right there. Wear to the fill screw, and a little bit of a tricky flint spring screw, as when I first took it out it flew across the room. The threads aren't very long in it. It's kind of tricky getting it to catch, not knowing when you can trust to let it loose. There's also some sort of a blemish there on the metal that runs through that design there, the bar there on the left. But there are, as I said, it does show wear, scuffs, scratches, dings, but the paint looks very good. The plating looks pretty good except for the fill screw. A very elegant looking lighter. When I first saw it in the listing, it reminded me, by the shape and the look of the mechanism, of the Ronson Adonis. As you can see, it is much smaller than the Ronson Adonis, about half as big actually. But the same sort of automatic mechanism, and as I said, same sort of look to the lighter as well. I don't know, I'm not a big design person. I don't know if this is Art Deco. I'm not sure how you would describe that. So then if you put that in comparison to a Zippo Slim, Then the Continental CMC is wider, but much shorter. Overall smaller. Actually taller than the Ronson Adonis. Or just for comparison, you can see the Zippo Slim and the Ronson Crown are roughly the same height. Crown is a little bit taller. So all of that just to show you the comparison as to the scale and size of this particular lighter, which, as you can see, has a loop on the back here, which you have seen, or I have seen, lighters that have a lanyard attached, or some lady lighters that have a tassel of sorts attached to the back of it, maybe as kind of a fob to help you keep a hold of it. In the listing, the seller had said it would make a good lady lighter, and I don't disagree, but I do believe that it would work for men as well. I don't see anything feminine or emasculine about it. Other than the size, it's definitely small. And I only say that to say, in general, men are bigger than women. So maybe it would follow that a man's lighter would be bigger than a woman's. You can see scuffs or dings there along the front. If you like watching videos about old Petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit that share button. Send the link off in a text, email, share it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. That'll be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com. A lot of times when you get a lighter like this, there's some imperfection in the paint. Even if the front looks really good, then there'll be a chip out of the back. This is a really good lighter, a really nice looking, handsome lighter. Until next time.